Minimalism. Are you planning to adapt minimalism in your life or looking some kind of guide to be a minimalistic person? Then this video is only for you. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am Ankit. I make fashion, motivational and travel vlogs. So in this video, we'll be talking about minimalism only. First, let's see what is minimalism. Minimalism doesn't mean that you can have only one bowl, one fork, one spoon and you can't have car. Minimalism means keeping those things with yourself which is important to you and letting go all the other stuff which is not required. So let me tell you how it all began. One day I was just watching Netflix and I just came across one documentary which is about minimalism, and I watched that complete documentary and I got so inspired that I wanted to be a minimalistic person from that particular time only. Then I did my research for at least 2 weeks and that research was quite a lot. Then I decided to make a list of things which is not required in my life, and let me tell you guys, the list was so huge. Then I divided all the items in the list into subcategories. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you 15 days to be a minimalistic person, which means I have picked up only 15 categories which is most important in your lives, and you can just give one day to one category and start being a minimalistic person. So without wasting much time, let's get started. The first day is dedicated to cleaning your wallet, which is very important. We keep so many random stuff in it, cards, coins, slips, which are not required at all. Take out all the stuff from your wallet, check which is required and which is not. Dump all the useless stuff and put only stuff back which you use every day. Once you pass the day 1, let's move to day 2. On day 2, you need to clean your clothes. We often buy clothes, and if you check your wardrobe, then many of them are not worn for many months or maybe some years. So what you need to do is you need to make 3 sections: yes, maybe and no. No category means you don't want to wear them again, so they will be donated. In yes category, you will put all the clothes which you wear on a regular basis and they will go back to your closet again. The maybe category clothes are those in which you are confused if you wanna wear them in future or not. Then you may keep them in a bag for few months. If you don't get chance to wear them, then you may donate them as well. Now the day 3 is for your undergarments, socks and gloves. We often have many lost pair of socks, gloves and undergarments which have holes in it. So we need to clean them. Put all the good underwears at one side. Keep the socks which have pairs at one side. Lost pair socks and socks which have holes in it, they can be dumped. And similarly do the same with other items too in this category, like gloves, laces and many more other stuff. Once you clean it, you will see how much mess it was there in your wardrobe, and you will get correct pair easily when you are running out of time while getting ready. Guys, I did it by myself and my life is now more organized. Once you are done with the day 3, let's move to day 4. Day 4 is dedicated for your shoes. Now let's see the shoes which we have in our shoe racks. Take out those shoes which are not in good condition or you just bought them and never worn, so you can donate them and clean your shoe rack and keep only those footwears which you often wear. Now let's move to day 5. Day 5 is for products. We buy so many products like face washes, shampoos and many other stuff, but we use only few of them. And result is they get expired. So in this we will be clearing all the products which we don't use or expired. At the end you will get items which you can dump. Once you do this activity, you will get the items which you can dump at one side and have the items which you want to use. Once you are done with the day 5, let's move to day 6. Day 6 is dedicated to your broken sunglasses and broken watches. We have so many sunglasses at home which are broken, watches which are not working, and so many empty boxes of glasses and watches. So in this category, we will be cleaning all the sunglasses, watches which cannot be repaired, and you need to dump all of them and dump all the empty boxes, or you can donate them. At the end, you will get the items that you want to dump or donate. And one side, you will get the items which you want to keep back. Now when you are done with the day 6, let's quickly move to the day 7. Day 7 is very interesting. It's for old books and novels. We have a hobby of collecting novel books which we have already read. So minimalism is about not having things which are not required. So donate the books which you have already read or keep only those which you want to read them in future. Read books can be donated and unread book you can keep. And once you finish, repeat this process again. You are done with the day 7, let's move to the day 8. You have already come halfway, only 7 more days to go. Day 8 for old unused electronic items. We often have lots of damaged chargers, cables and other electronic stuff which cannot be work again. So put the useful wires, chargers at one side and put useless and waste wires at one side. Guys, you will feel little irritated while doing this, but trust me guys, if you can achieve this, then you can do anything in your life. When I was cleaning, I found 2 trimmers. For one trimmer, charger was missing and I tried finding everywhere but I could not find it. So for me, it was waste. So I decided to dump it. Useless items can be dumped and useful item can be keep. So once you are done with day 8, let's quickly move to day 9. So day 9 is for important documents. Guys, we all have important document files in our homes in which we keep all the important bills and important documents and all the receipts which we get, but we don't end up cleaning that important file time to time. So what happens is it just gets so messy that whenever we need any important document, we don't get that. Time to time cleaning up your important document file is very important. So day 10 is for stationery and not used markers. We often have many pencils, empty pen, damaged markers, staplers, tapes which are finished or damaged. So in this category we need to get rid of all of them. If you have a double the pencil or double the items or you have some more extra pens, just donate them to the needy one. Once you are done with the day 10, let's quickly move to day 11. Day 11 is for bed sheets and towels. Take out all the bed sheets which have holes in it or you never will put them on bed. Towels which are in bad condition or you won't use them again. Pillow covers whose zip is not working or it's in damaged condition. Put all the bad towels and bed sheet at one side which you want to donate and put all the good sheets and towels back in the closet. Waste towel can be used as a dusting cloth or maybe just to donate. Now let's quickly move to day 12. Day 12 is dedicated to furniture. Guys, we buy so much of unnecessary furniture in our homes which is not required, and you also know that some of the furniture at your home may be one chair or maybe one table which you haven't used it. So day 12 is for that particular kind of furniture only which you need to donate or maybe just sell it. Day 13 is for food items. Fridge, expired food and extra items. Open your fridge and check the food items which are expired and you won't eat them. Donate it or just dump it. Because expired food items you should not eat. Once you are done with the day 13, let's move to day 14. Day 14 is for medicine box. Clean all the medicines which are expired or the ones which you don't have use, so donate them. It is required because you should not keep expired medicines at home. Once you put all the expired medicines aside, you will be out of your danger. Once you are done with the day 14, let's quickly move to the final day, which is day 15. In this day, we will be cleaning mailbox, unsubscribe the not required subscription on mails, read all the mails and delete all the useless mails from your mailbox. Similarly, do it on phone. Clean all the useless messages, delete all the numbers which you don't want to keep in touch. Try having digital detox for a weekend once in a while. I have already made video on digital detox. I'll put the link in the iCard. Please check it after this video. So guys, this was my 15 day to be a minimalistic person guide. I tried to be a very simple and again very minimalistic. So you can also adapt if you're looking to be a minimalistic person, and let me know in the comment section if I missed any important category or maybe I need to replace one category with another. So I'll also get to know which category I missed. I'm so inspired with the minimalistic concept that I'm going to make more videos on it. So if you like this video, smash the like button, do subscribe to AKT TV and press the bell icon. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.